Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar Swiss, we did end up making that lower high, and because the trend is definitely down on the very high time frames, like the daily and the weekly, there's definitely a chance this is a 1, 2, 3, and it just keeps on going down. I also see the possibility that this is like an ABC of B or an ABC of 2, and if it is that, then we definitely should be able to recognize it because if it's not a wave 3, it will not maintain impulsive movement to the downside, but instead it will likely bounce from a fib level and turn back up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we should be looking at this as either an A or a 1. This is either a B or a 2, and we are now either in a 3 or a C. If it's a wave 3, it can definitely bounce a little, but it can't make like a nice engulfing up. It has to maintain down momentum because wave 3s are very strong moves. If it's not a wave 3, but it actually is a wave C, then it potentially would bounce from one of these fib levels, make a nice big engulfing turn to the upside. If that happens, you know it's not an ABC. You know it's a one. You know that it's not a 1, 2, 3, but it's actually an ABC, and that it will likely go back up and take out these highs for either a 3 or a C. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.